Is one of the most popular shows on TV, and now you can learn how to become a crime scene investigator.
Holly Moore, it is really cool, and Holly Moore joins us now live from the National Museum of Crime and Punishment. Holly, what's going on?
Well, what I've learned is that being a forensic scientist is as sexy and exciting as the television show. I'm telling you, if you want action, this is what you want to be. That's what you told me, Mike B. Blazer. This is an actual master forensic scientist, and if you really want to learn the real deal, then you need to come out to one of these workshops that they have. They're absolutely free. They last about an hour. It's included in the price of admission, but as you can imagine, they fill up quickly. And so last hour, we were learning about fingerprinting, how to dust for them, how to lift them. Now we've moved on to shoe printing. Okay,
that's right.
So where do we begin here?
So what we have right here is an example of what a shoe print in dirt would look like if left at a crime scene.
So if you saw that,
right?
And if you saw that, a forensic scientist would go, yes, we can get something
pretty
from
much,
that, right?
that's a really good looking print.
Okay.
So what I did over here is I took dental stone and I mixed it with water, and this is what we're going to use to cast the print.
Okay.
So we're going to pour it directly over our print. And the way we do that is we use a bounce card here, which is just any form of paper, just to soften the blow from the cast stone hitting directly.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so we're just going to guide it over. Going to pour it down.
Like that?
Yeah, that's perfect. And just guide it backwards so it covers the whole print.
And what I have really learned about this whole science is that it kind of is a slow and tedious process, right?
That's right.
Then you need to be exact.
That's right. And we have a few missed areas over here.
Okay.
Let's just cover that.
How'd you ever decide to go into this? Don't tell me it was watching CSI.
No, it wasn't from watching CSI, but it was something that I just didn't decide quickly. I made that decision through some courses that I took in school.
And you really liked it.
That's
if
right.
you like solving problems, this is the field to go into.
I can take
Okay,
that and throw
so we
it
do
out.
that, and then normally this would take how long to set up?
That takes about a half hour to 45 minutes to set. But we have an example of what it would look like if we had waited that long and then took it out.
So through the magic of television, here is our
That's right.
imprint, and you take a look at something like this, and then from here, you do what?
So from here, we send it over to the lab, and an examiner would take a look at that and try to compare it with known prints that we took from suspects. And these are 3 known prints that we took from suspects, and we look at the overall general pattern of the shoe print and see if it fits any of those, and immediately we could rule out this print because it has a completely different wear pattern. And that's what we call a class characteristic. And then we'd look at the individual characteristics that are individual to this particular shoe and not other shoes made of the same brand and model.
Because 2 people could be wearing the same shoes, but it's going to wear differently on their foot. So
That's
what
right.
you're talking about.
So just based on regular walking around, wear and tear, you're going to find different patterns in there that are unique to this shoe, such as you could see some wear pattern in here where the tread is gone.
Right, which is
Right.
kind of similar to here.
Exactly.
Right,
And
so
they're
if
also
you turn it like this.
That's right.
All right, so we would say, using our brilliant minds at work here, that we think suspect B is what that matches.
Okay.
Now, we also have our fingerprints, so let's go ahead and get those and bring those over, because we collected those, dusted for them, and we put them onto our cards. And what did you say about the fingerprint that I lifted?
It was actually very, very good. It's better than mine. I'd say.
Right. I
did say
thought
it was
I
better
heard
than
you say
mine.
that. I just
This
wanted
is
to get it
mine.
on
This is
TV.
yours. That's
Oh,
mine.
yeah, right. So here we did. We put our fingerprints here, and this fingerprint is blown up here so you can see it. And so
Right.
when people start to look at these, you start to really understand how unique and different they are.
That's right. And everyone does have a unique fingerprint, and each finger is also unique. So everyone's got 10 unique fingerprints, which is
And
is
so
good because
again, we match these up, and you know what it says? It says, suspect B, we're coming after you because we have identified you as our criminal. MyFoxTC.com is our website. We have a link to the National Crime and Punishment Museum's website so you can find out more. They do have a workshop, a CSI workshop going on this Sunday. Call now to make your reservation. They have openings, but it fills up quickly. I think you should maybe be a new character on CSI.
there's an opening, I hear.
All right. I'll be your agent. Back to you guys.
All right. Thanks. There are a couple of openings on the show. Thanks so much.